Leadership means ability, influence, and guides other, and also leader inspire people to achieve shared goals and ensure performance. Importance of leadership means essential for motivation, coordination, and goal achievement. And also, without leadership, it's difficult to manage group or ensure progress. Leadership in criminology means vital for coordination in criminal justice and also supports communication, teamwork, and interdisciplinary cooperation. Autocratic leadership means leader makes decision alone and also high control with minimal input, efficient but may suppress team engagement. Democratic leadership means team involved decision making and also encourage participation leader retain final authority. Strategic leadership focus on high performance leadership and also applies to all levels aims for broad long-term impact. Transformational leadership means inspires followers, accept expectation, leads to high satisfaction and commitment through empowerment. Team leadership means creates a compelling vision for the team, emphasize shared goals and emotional engagement. Cross-cultural leadership means leadership across different culture groups, essential in global or multicultural environment. Facilitative leadership means focus on group process and outcomes and also effective with high functioning teams, minimal intervention. Laissez-faire leadership means minimal oversight and also give autonomy to team can be effective without self-motivate employee. Transactional leadership exchange-based leadership style and also reward given for compliance maintain the status quo. Coaching leadership means develops team skill and performance and also guides followers with feedback, motivation, and encouragement. Charismatic leadership means driven by personal magnetism and influence and also transforms followers' beliefs and behavior through powerful presence. Visionary leadership means driven by long-term goal and clarity of purpose and also creates direction and means engage people emotionally and strategically. Reward power means power based on ability to distribute reward or incentives and also a supervisor offers bonuses for high performance. Coercive power power based on ability to punish or discipline others and also a manager threaten demotion for non-compliance. Expert power means power derived from skill, expertise, or knowledge, and also and its specialist in trusted for system decisions. Referent power means power based on charisma, respect, or admiration from others. And also, a popular leader influence team behavior through inspiration. Information power means power that comes from access to valuable or exclusive information, and also a project lead with insider client data has influence. Decision making means choosing the best option among alternative, and also involves weighting option risks and consequences aim for optimal outcomes. Problem solving means identifying and resolving issue, focus on root cause and long-term solution using analytical and creative thinking. Programming decision means routine a repetitive decision, and also used for standard operations, requires minimal evaluation. Non-programming decision means unique and complex decision, and also requires new strategies and critical thinking. Major decision means high impact decision, and also affect long-term strategy or entire organization. Minor decision, low stakes decision, and also has minimal effect often operational. Routine decision, daily operation related choice, and also require little analysis, staff scheduling. Strategic decision means long-term and essential decision, and also shapes the future of the organization. Organizational decision means made in official capacity, and also can be delegated aligned with corporate rules. Personal decision means made in individual capacity, and also not related to formal rule based on personal judgment. Individual decision means made by single person fast but limited in perspective. Group decision means collaborative choice by multiple people, and also broader input but slower process. Policy decision means fundamental decision by top management, and also affect the entire organization. Administrative decision means routine decision to apply policy, and also bridge policy with execution. Execution decision means high-level decision affecting direction, and also made by top leader or government hands. Analytical problem solving means break down complex issue, and also use data structure and logic to solve challenge. Creative problem solving means encourage innovation, and also generate original solution to persistent problems. Evaluative decision making means weight choice before action, and also involves judgment criteria and expected outcomes. Judgment-based decision making means use experience and intuition, and also draws from past knowledge for effective decisions. Management means the district process using people resource to achieve objective, and also involve planning, organizing, activating, and control across all levels. Definition of manager means person who direct activities of other, and also operates at different levels, top, middle, first line, team leader. Top level manager sets direction and strategy, and also makes high level decision to ensure long-term success. Middle level manager means connect strategy to operation, translate top level goals into actionable objectables. First line manager means supervises non-managerial employee and also ensure daily tasks and operation are executed properly. Team leader means lead specific task or team and also report to first line or middle manager manage short-term activities. Planning means deciding in advance what to do and also creates a roadmap for future activities and intellectual process. Organizing means structuring people and resources and also combines resources into a unit to achieve objectives. Staffing means hiring and managing people and also covers manpower planning, training, growth, evaluation, and welfare. Directing means issuing instructions and guidance and also communicate expectations and motivates for performance. Reporting, exchanging performance information, and also summarize service and operation through oral written report. Technical skills means ability to use tool and procedure and also important at lower levels aids decision making and operational knowledge. Conceptual skills means ability to understand abstract relationship and also needed to see the whole organization its context. Human skills means interpersonal effectiveness and also essential for communication, leadership, and team's motivation. Conceptual skills means ability to understand abstract relationship and also needed to see the whole organization in its context.